Hello fellow viewers, welcome back to part 3 of the logarithm. So today we'll be covering logarithm laws. Let's jump straight into the video. So the first law we're gonna learn is the product law. So by the name of product, you already know it's something to do with multiplication. So it goes something like this: log base a x plus log base a y equal to log base a x y. Yeah, so a few conditions need to be met first in order for this to happen. So the base of your log must be the same on the both sides, and it must be a plus. So when you see this plus here, you can take these two values behind the log and multiply them together, so you will get this. Okay, so one example we can do right now is like log base 2 5 plus log base 2 7. So this will give us this 5 times 7, which will give us log base 2 35. Okay, now we move on to our second law we're gonna learn is the quotient law. So this law kind of looks like that law above, just that it's a bit different. So log is ax minus log is a y equal to log a x over y. So a few conditions have to be met. Same, your base have to be the same, but this time instead of a plus it is a minus, and this time instead of multiplying the two values behind together, you divide. But in what manner? The number in front of the minus will be your numerator, and the number behind the minus will be your denominator. Okay, so one example we can do is log 2 7 minus log 2 14. So what we end up getting is log 2 7 over 14, which we can write as log 2 half. Okay, let's move on to our last law, which I kind of covered in the previous video, the power law. Okay, so power. Okay, how do we do this? Very easy. The r, which is just a random number in front, if there's a number in front, we can bring the number behind so that it becomes the index, something like that. So let's just say, for example, I have 2 log 5 and 7. So I can write this as log base 5 7 square, which will give me log base 5 49. Yeah, okay, so now we got the 3 laws done. Let's do some practice questions. Okay, let's do log base 10 2 plus log base 10 5. So we can use the product law to help us. So we can write this as log base 10 2 times 5, which will give us lg 10. And since our number here and here is the same, right, so that will give us 1. That's from our special values from the video before. Okay, next question. lg 30 minus lg 3. So we can use our quotient law, which will give us lg 30 over 3, which will give us lg 10, which will give us 1. Okay, next question. Let's do log 4 16. How do we do this? Okay, don't fret. Remember, we can write 16 as 4 squared, right? Okay, so we can write this as log base 4 squared. Then we can use our product rule to bring the index 2 to the front. So we get 2 log 4 to 4. And remember that when our a and the b is the same, we will get 1. So 2 times 1, and the answer is 2. Alright, let's do one last one. lg2 plus lg50 plus lg 0.1. Okay, might look confusing, but it's okay since they all have the same base, which is 10 technically. You can write this as lg 2 times 50 times 0.1, which is the same as lg 100 over 10. So we'll get lg 10, which will equal to 1. Okay, so I hope this video helps. So thanks for watching.